Hi, I'm Maria, here with Gary today, and we are going to show you how to properly install a mooring cover on your runabout boat. So new in 2021 to all genuine Yamaha covers is the integration of 3 new tags. A front and back tag that help orient your cover to your boat, and a QR tag located in your ratchet pocket to give you access to our Yamaha Owners Hub. Now on to Gary for the install.
First, set up the anti-pulling system, which is the center rod that holds the straps together. Attach the white straps to the front side cleats. Then set up your rear rod by connecting the black straps to the rear side cleats. Now that you have the anti-pulling system set up, you can begin to pull the cover over the boat. There's a front side tag on it to help you locate the front of the cover. On both sides of the cover, make sure you attach the flaps. Now attach the bottom buckle by the flaps. Pull the straps through the sterni to secure the buckle. Tighten the ratchets on both sides. Now your mooring cover is installed. Thanks for watching.